It's October 1st. Hello you guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there. My name is Karen and I make brand new content for you guys every single week. So you should definitely hit that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all of my brand new content. And right now, you'd be missing out on fall content and you don't want to miss out on that, so just subscribe. So guys, it's October 1st and we're officially in fall. Like, no one can make fun of us now for being early because it's officially fall, so we can celebrate now. So in last week's video, you guys watched me decorate for fall, and as you can see, I have my Hey Pumpkin pillow out, and I also have my beautiful $10 Target throw blanket with some pumpkins on it. But I thought that in this week's video, it would be a really fun idea for me to kind of like compile a fall bucket list for you guys. Obviously, I want to do some of the things on this bucket list too, but I just thought it would be super fun to share it with you guys, just in case you're kind of wanting to make the most out of this fall season. As I just mentioned, it's already October 1st and you're probably freaking out like, oh my gosh, we literally only have 30 days until Halloween and it's just gonna fly by. So we want to make the most out of our time during fall. As much as I love Christmas, I'm super excited for the fall season as well, and why not celebrate? So in this week's video, sorry I just went on a rant, I'm going to give you guys over 50 ideas of things that you can do to make the most out of your fall season, aka the ultimate fall bucket list for 2024. Without further ado, let's just get right into this video. I have a lot to talk about. These are in no particular order. I was just kind of like pulling from lists that I saw online and then some things that I also just had in my head. Starting off with number 1, try a new fall flavored drink from a local coffee shop. One of my local coffee shops just came out with a Gilmore Girls themed menu, and if you guys remember from a few weeks ago, I did like a day of my life as an online college student and I showed you guys how my sister and I are currently watching Gilmore Girls, and they came out with the fall themed Gilmore Girls menu, and I was like, oh my gosh, that could not have had better timing. So I would definitely recommend going to your local coffee shops and kind of see if they have fun specialty drinks for the season. I know Dunkin' definitely does because I tried that menu out a few weeks ago, but there might also be some local ones that you could go and support and also try out an amazing fall themed beverage. Okay, number 2, go on a nature walk and collect colorful leaves. This I saw online. I am not the person to go on nature walks. It's just too hot right now, but if you are having cooler weather, that's a really fun thing that you can do. Number 3, plant fall flowers. Number 4, take a scenic drive to go see like the fall vibes. Like, I'm sure a lot of places like the leaves are turning into different colors and it's just looking like fall and there's like a cool breeze outside. You could just take a drive and go look around. Maybe some people have like Halloween decorations up. Some of you guys might live near like haunted houses. You could also go drive by and just get all the spooky vibes. Number 5, make a fall themed craft like a wreath or garland or a candle. Oh my gosh, if you know how to make Halloween candles or any candles in general, I'm so jealous. I would love to take that up as a hobby, like learning how to make candles, because right now, hold it, let me get it. I've not lit it yet because I don't want it to go away and I feel like that's so bad, but half the time I buy candles and I don't want to light them because they smell so good and I'm scared that I'm never going to find the same scent again. Like, I know they have the same scent, but like it just doesn't smell the same if it's different companies. But this is the cinnamon pumpkin candle. I got it at Aldi like 2 days ago for like $5. It's so good. So you could learn how to do like a fall themed craft, and that could involve making fall themed candles. Number 6 kind of has to do more with Thanksgiving than fall, but you could host like a Friendsgiving dinner kind of early, either in October or November, just during fall. Host a Friendsgiving dinner and show your friends how grateful and thankful you are for them. Number 7, go on a ghost tour or visit a haunted house. I feel like a haunted house is more common of a thing to do during the holiday season. Some people have like haunted hay rides. They have like scary corn mazes, and those sound super fun. I actually went to a haunted house my freshman year of high school, and I don't know what was in me that night to want to go, but I went and it was super scary. I don't think I would do it again, but then I also look at like Halloween Horror Nights at Universal and I get super jealous of people that go to Halloween Horror Nights, so maybe I would have it in me to do it again. Number 8, you could take up volunteering. I know a lot of like charity events and community events go on during the fall season, so you could try to like think about volunteering and helping out for those events. Number 9, we have make a DIY bird feeder. When I was searching up bucket list, I kept seeing like DIY things to do, so I just like clicked and started scrolling on Pinterest, and they had DIY bird feeders. And I know you could do that any month out of the year, but I just think it would be super fun right now. Number 10, visit a pumpkin patch and pick the perfect pumpkin. This is like my #1 thing that I think you guys should do, but it's really basic, so I didn't want to put it at like the beginning of this video. Obviously, you should try to go to a pumpkin patch this season. It's one of the most fun things to do to put you in the fall spirit. I honestly have not been to a pumpkin patch since maybe my freshman year of high school. It's really fun. Plus, nowadays you can like get dressed up and take really cute pictures for Instagram. Like when you were a kid, you didn't necessarily care about doing that, but just to make it a lot of fun, you can put on like your best fall outfit and you can go to the pumpkin patch and take some cute pictures either by yourself or with your boyfriend or your best friend. Number 11, try making your own Halloween costume. If you need some inspiration, I did a video last year. I think it was over 100 Halloween costume ideas that are super quick and easy and things that you can just make yourself. So definitely go check out that video if you want some inspiration on what you can make. Number 12, have a technology-free day and just like enjoy nature. This I thought of whenever I was super stressed out earlier this week. I was like, dude, I wish I could just have a day where I can just relax and not have anything to do. And that would be the perfect time during fall to just have a day off, whether it's like a Sunday or maybe just some random day of the week that you don't have that much to do. I think it's so rewarding for your own mental health and well-being just to have a relaxing day and enjoy the essence of fall. Number 13, make homemade apple cider. Number 14, go camping or like have some sort of like backyard camping adventure thing. You could like set up your own tent and do it yourself. Number 15, have a cozy night in with a fall scented candle and a good book or a good fall movie. You gotta do this. I mean, this is literally the epitome of fall. And you can turn on like It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. That's a classic. Next up, we have number 16. You can write some letters or some notes to your loved ones, whether it's your mom or whether it's a friend that lives a few hours away. Writing a note is just so sweet. And you could even make it fall themed. You could like buy them a little fall themed gift and include it with the letter and just send it to them or give it to them and just let them know how thankful you are for them, especially during the fall season. You probably also get some really cute fall stationery at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something. Number 17, go apple picking. Never done that before. Number 18, attend a fall festival or like a fall fair. Number 19, super fun, make a fall playlist of all of your favorite fall songs. I never done that, but a lot of people do it. My favorites are like Thriller by Michael Jackson, and I can't think of anything else. Thriller is superior. The other day I was listening to like the Charlie Brown soundtrack for the video whenever I was decorating my room, and I thought that that was a really good soundtrack. It was just like jazz, cozy fall music. Number 20, you can bake a homemade pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie is one of my favorite desserts. Number 21, go on a hayride, as I mentioned earlier. 22, read a book under your cozy fall blankets. You can just pick out a book. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the theme of fall, but just read your favorite book and get cozy, and you can go and buy a cute throw blanket before you do so. Number 23, go to a football game. That's really common right now because we are literally in the middle of football season, whether it be like your college or your old high school or like an NFL game, just something to do. Number 24, visit a farmer's market. I wish I had a farmer's market near me. I don't think I do. Maybe I do and I just don't know, but I would love to go to a farmer's market on the weekend. Number 25, make caramel apples. 26, try making a homemade soup, because it's going to get colder outside and soup is a great thing to make for dinner during this time. 27, if you're old enough to drink, you could try some fall flavored wine. Number 28, you could have a bonfire and then roast like marshmallows and make s'mores. Number 29, create a fall themed scrapbook or like a fall themed journal. You could either journal your thoughts all throughout the fall season in like a designated fall journal, or you could get like a cute scrapbook. Probably Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, things like that. They probably have a lot of cute journals that might have like rustic leaves on the front or pumpkins, something like that. And you could buy one of those and then you can compile all of your favorite memories from fall in that specific journal or that specific scrapbook. And if you did the scrapbook, you could like print out pictures of you and your best friend at the pumpkin patch, or you could include like the tickets to a concert that you went to during the fall season. And then whenever we transition into winter, you can look back and see all of your fun fall memories. Number 30, go stargazing. Whenever there's like a clear night, you can just go look at the stars. I recently have been doing that and I never did that. I was just like, as soon as I get back from somewhere at night, I just immediately walk in my house. But dude, look up at the sky. It's so beautiful. My favorite thing ever is the moon. I have the moon phases on my phone when I first turn it on. Like tonight's a waning moon and the moon set is at 9:38 a.m. tomorrow. I'm super interested in the moon, so if you are too, you can go and stargaze. Number 31, go thrift shopping, but go thrift shopping specifically for like cozy sweaters, leggings, fall clothes, anything like that, because you can score some really cute items, but for a substantially cheaper price. Number 32, make a list of the things that you're thankful for. Since it's October and you do have some time before Thanksgiving, you can kind of take a minute to think about, hey, what am I grateful for? What am I so lucky to have in my life? Number 33, so fun. Post a Halloween movie marathon with your friends. Just like pick out 3 Halloween movies to watch, invite them over. Everybody can bring something. Somebody can bring those like Pillsbury Halloween cookies with a ghost on them. Chef's kiss, those are so good, and you can just watch your favorite Halloween movies. Number 34, bake a batch of fall themed cookies. My sister and I did this a few weeks ago, and we made cupcakes and we put sprinkles that had little like bats and ghosts and pumpkins. Number 35, go on a hike. I don't live anywhere near a place where I could go hike, but maybe you do. Number 36, create a fall reading list. So basically you could just pick a few fall themed books, or maybe like even some mystery books, since that kind of fits the vibes of the season, and then you can read those within the upcoming months. Number 37, take fall themed photos in the leaves, such as this one. Number 38, watch classic Halloween movies. 39, try a pumpkin spice recipe, whether it's like pumpkin spice cake or like pumpkin spice cookies. Just pick something out and try it. Number 40, have a Halloween pajama day. I unfortunately do not own any like Halloween pajamas. I have Christmas ones, but I would love to look for some and then just wear them around the house all day. Number 41, you can decorate your room or your house with fall decor, just as I did last week. Number 42, you can learn to knit or like crochet. Oh my gosh, I would love to do that. Number 43, make a gratitude jar and then fill it with notes of just everything that you're thankful for. So kind of like what I mentioned earlier with writing down what you're grateful for, but this time you could actually cut them up into little slips of paper and then put them in a jar. And then maybe whenever you're like having a bad day, you can pull some of the things out of that jar and realize what you're grateful for. Number 44, visit a corn maze. Number 45, take a pottery class. Number 46, attend a local craft fair. I feel like so many craft fairs go on during this time of year, especially near where I live. So you can go and maybe like search up, look on Facebook, look on websites, and just see what craft fairs are going on near you. They're so fun, I can't even describe it. Just seeing how much passion people put into a specific business and then being able to like buy something from them and support them, it's just so fun. Number 47, go for a bike ride, because the temperatures are cooling down. It just feels so good outside, so you could go on a bike ride. Number 48, declutter your room, apartment, or home. So basically like you can move out some of your summer stuff, maybe summer clothes that you didn't really wear this season and you know you won't wear in the future. By doing that, you can make room for some new fall clothes. Number 49, have a picnic with fall themed foods. Number 50 sounds super fun. Make your own pumpkin spice latte, because as much as everybody loves like their Dunkin' pumpkin spice latte, wouldn't it be fun to make it yourself and like learn and keep doing it? It might also be cheaper in the long run, so maybe you could benefit from learning how to do that. And lastly, number 51 on this year's fall bucket list is to take time to relax and reflect on the past year. So we're not technically like in December, like oh my gosh, it's basically New Year's. You still have October and November and December to reach some of those goals that maybe you were trying to achieve throughout 2024, because we still do have some time. It's not 2025 yet. Reflect on how much work you've done throughout the past couple of months and how much you've improved as a person or improved in a specific aspect of your life, and then always leave room for improvement and see what you can do throughout the next 3 months. So that was my fall bucket list for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed those 51 ideas of the most amazing things that you can do to get you in the autumn spirit. I hope that this video was useful, and I hope that it inspired you to kind of make the most out of the next couple of months, because it's going to be such an amazing time. So thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all of my brand new content every single week. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for being here and watching my videos, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.